Thing that people don't understand is in this industry, it does not just include heating and air conditioning. A huge business that we are associated with is indoor air quality. They say that the indoor air quality in our homes and our office buildings and so forth is 8 times more polluted than our outdoors. So providing a healthy environment for our occupants of a space is extremely important for many, many reasons. So we can get into that. It evolves into indoor air quality. Filters, different types of HEPA filters and other types of filters that filter out harmful bacteria, harmful dust particle, harmful spores, and so forth. We also get involved with technologies that kill harmful bacteria by using ultraviolet rays. I can't stress this enough. It doesn't end just at heating and air conditioning. All the communication centers has to have a quality to controlled environment. Medical equipment and procedures like the MRIs have to have air conditioning systems to keep that rolling. From what I understand, the large windmills that are strewed throughout the country, that all goes to a central area that has to be heated and cooled to maintain the circuitry and keep it working properly. I had a couple of my students, that was their job. They were given a truck and they had so many of those sites to visit a week to clean the filters, to check the units out, keep them running. A normal person wouldn't think of that. They just think about air conditioning, turning it down to certain degrees, it feels good, they walk away from it. But it involves refrigeration in your home. And people don't realize restaurants need a huge amount of refrigeration to maintain the food temperatures for ice making. How many times you go into a restaurant, you want a glass of something cool to drink, and you want that ice not to be cloudy with a bunch of floaters in it, and you don't want it to taste like the Chicago River. It just goes on and on and on. You have to start out the beginning to understand how heating and air conditioning works, basically understand the second law of thermodynamics and how simple the process actually is and how many ways that branches out into everyday life. It's unlimited.